there's a lot of confusion whether to say it is I, he, she, or it is me, him, her. Now here you can remember one important rule, that in formal writing and speech, when it act as a dummy subject is always followed by a pronoun in subjective case. In spoken English, it hardly matters and we go by what sounds right to us, and there is a growing tendency to use objective case of pronoun after it. But when it comes to formal writing and speech, subjective case is the right choice. Let's have a look at some examples. It is he who helped the poor lady. It is I who gifted a necklace to Martha. It is they who visited us last week. It is we who want to go on holiday. Besides inanimate things, it can also be used to refer to small children and animals when we don't want to specify their gender. Let's have a look at some examples. Look at the small baby. It is playing peekaboo with me. When I saw the baby, it was smiling. Where have you kept the baby? It is in the crib. The baby is crying. I think it needs a diaper change. I love my dog and cannot live without it. Be careful of the snake. It seems venomous. She has a dark brown horse. It runs very fast. Look at the kitten. It looks so adorable. Pronoun it can also be used to refer back to a fact, event, or a situation mentioned previously. For example, Steve does all household chores and he knows it. Here it refers to the fact that Steve does all household chores. Stella made my bed. It saved my time. Here it refers to the fact that Stella made my bed. The army has been called in. It is making the people nervous. Here it refers to the event that the army has been called in. My bag was stolen. It totally ruined my day. Here it refers to the event that the bag was stolen. If you want to lay emphasis on a noun or a pronoun, you can begin a sentence with pronoun it. For example, it is Steve who made the painting. It is they who cured me of my illness. It is Paris that they visited, not London. It is I who gave the presentation. We can use it to identify a person, especially on phone or during a visit to someone's place. For example, who's on the phone? It's your friend Stella. May I know who's there? Hi, it's Peter here. Was it Dave who organized the party for all of us? It can also be used as the subject of a verb to talk about time, date, distance, weather, temperature, etc. For example, it's quite hot today. It's already 10 o'clock. It's minus 10 degrees Celsius outside. Stay indoors. It's 50 kilometers to the office. It has been raining since yesterday.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Enliven English. Download the app now.